Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to take control of your Ethereum and move it from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to secure their crypto in a decentralized wallet. By the end of this video, you'll have your Ethereum transferred safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with some Ethereum in it, and the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. Trust Wallet is a user-friendly option for storing your crypto securely, and it's free to download from the App Store or Google Play. Double-check that your accounts are verified and you're logged in to both. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Ethereum section. This is where you'll find your unique wallet address. Tap on the Receive button, and it will generate a QR code or a string of characters. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Remember, even a small typo could send your funds to the wrong place. Next, head over to your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. Go to the dashboard, select your Ethereum balance, and click on the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. You'll also need to enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you confirm, review everything twice. Check the address, the amount, and any fees displayed. Once you're sure, hit send. You'll get a confirmation email from Coinbase, and the transaction should process in a few minutes, depending on the Ethereum network. A quick tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication for added security. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next video. Bye.